ऑनरेबल मेंबर
एक मिनिट ते दोन विषय विचारता पळय ते दोन वेगवेगळे विषय तो विचारता आमचो मायकल की स्क्रॅपाच्या हातून भानगड आहा काय म्हणून प्रायमा फेशिया थोडीशी दिसता वास येता तू डिटेल दी हांव करता इन्क्वायरी तो विचारता ताका कॉन्ट्रॅक्ट दिले ते तुम्ही ताकाच फुडें कशें दिता काय म्हणून ताका पयशे दिवन ना आमी फक्त भानगड जाल्यार ती स्क्रॅपाच्या हातून थोडी भानगड
फोटिंगपणा केली न्ही तो पडतो करचो ना कित्या वयल्यान
ताका काय पयशे फारीक करूं ना
पयशे फारीक करता ते इम्पॉर्टंट न्ही तूं भितर ती तशीच दवरता ताज्यान जातलें म्हणून कित्या वयल्यान
Speaker sir, it is on record of the tourism department that he has said that
राव रे ताका पयली पूर्ण कॉन्ट्रॅक्टाची म्हायती ना कॉन्ट्रॅक्ट इज नो क्युअर नो पे
जालें मागीर
he has not cured we have not paid him
no but he has already sold the scrap
sir he already has 14 crores of the scrap value money
permitted him to sell the scrap which is raising the issue which will inquire
no definitely
that aspect will inquire
my this is on what basis government the monitoring committee negotiates with the same person who has cheated the government
we are not negotiating we are not speaker sir we are not negotiating
what is the guarantee he will not cheat again
we are asking him to complete his contract otherwise there will be no pay for no cure what they are taking a monitoring committee is taking a final call on no cure no pay basis that means there will be no payment to him his bank guarantee has been asked to be encashed so all these aspects are there तशें हे ना इट इज अ कंटिन्यूइंग कॉन्ट्रॅक्ट देयर इज नो न्यू नेगोशिएशन
मी फुडल्या प्रश्नाकडे या श्री विश्वजित राणे
तुम्ही विश्वास ठेवल्यात मरे तेजेर आमी एक 6 महिने विश्वास ठेवपाक कितें प्रॉब्लेम ना
विश्वास ठेवला आमचो कोण तो
Speaker, I would like to ask question 4A.
I am to decide here.
Speaker sir, answer as per cycle style.
Because I would like to know from the Honorable Minister, out of the 9 proposals that are mentioned here that have been forwarded to the central government, I want to know how many of them have been proposed by the Honorable Minister when he took over as Minister and how many have been approved prior to him taking charge as a Minister and total amount received pertaining to these projects from Government of India.
Speaker sir, जी proposal आसा ही proposal सगळीच आमी आमचे कितें म्हणटा ती follow up करून
Speaker sir, I just want to ask the Honorable Minister is that how many of these proposals which were forwarded to Government of India were approved prior to you becoming a minister and how many have been approved after you became a minister in the last 1 year? And pertaining to these proposals, what is the total amount of funding you have received project-wise from the Government of India?
Speaker sir, आता तुम्ही तो जितको डिटेल विचारतात पळय तो डिटेल माझे कडेन ना पण जाय जाल्यार तुमच्याकडे दिता तुमकां दिता न्ही तो असो एका सेकंदान
details प्रश्नच ना I am just asking you one figure actually I want to come to some other point I am not trying to put you down on the figures
दुसरो विचार तू हांव तुका तोपर्यंत दिता
दुसरो ना म्हाका तुम्ही विचारात I just want to know what is the total funding you have received from the Government of India. You have given 9 projects. What is the total amount you have received from Government of India for these 9 projects? How many of them were approved prior to you becoming a minister and how many have you got approval in the last 1 year?
But dila answer nahi.
Speaker sir, I am just asking this question. I want to get to a point which later on, but I just want to ask this question because no dates when they were approved or anything is mentioned here. So I need a very categorical answer from you. How many projects out of the 9 projects were approved prior to, out of these 9 mentioned by you, prior to you becoming Tourism Minister of Goa, and how many were approved by the earlier Tourism Minister? And how much is the total funding you have repaired? Some works are in progress. How much is the total funding you have received from the Government of India for this tourism?
He has not received anything. Money was received by earlier government and spent on something else. 42 crores कितें तरी मेळ्ळेले पयलींच्या सरकारा कडच्यान cash received. But nothing was used for the project.
Because of the reason I
सांगता आसा माझ्याकडे Speaker sir,
निलेश काबरा
Speaker sir, जे project minister answer एका आपल्या honorable member हांवें जे कितें answer दिला हे सगळ्या पयलेचो दिला आणि आता जे दिल्या जर एका वर्साचो टेर्निवराक जे आमी कितें प्रोजेक्ट करून दिल्या वो पायपलायनीन आसा हे खूब आसा ते जाय जाल्यार तुका डिटेल हांव सगळें दिता आसा माझे कडेन
Because Speaker sir, I just want a categorical
Let him
thing on these
answer
9
first.
projects
Let
only.
him-
I don't
let
want
him
anything else. What is the answer?
Novi project will be
I have
passed.
not completed my supplementary, Speaker.
Lex Lawrence, you don't comment while sitting there, please. You please keep quiet. Please keep quiet.
ए, बस बस रे तू विचारला क्वेश्चन विचारला स्पीकर सर त्याका आन्सर
Because I have not completed my supplementaries.
Comments थंय बसून नाका.
श्रीनिवास
Because I have not completed my supplementaries on.
हांव
तुझो टर्न येता तेन्ना तुका आन्सर करता
ताची दखल घेता. परत कमेंट्स
हांव उत्तर दिता तुका. नऊच्या नऊय प्रोजेक्ट फाटल्या सरकाराच्या काळात सँक्शन जाल्ले तातले जवळ जवळ 40+ कोटी कितें तरी 42 कोटी फिजिकली रिसिव्ड. Not a single paisa out of that receipt was spent on these 9 projects. The money was diverted from for some other use. The result is very simple. Until you spend and complete those projects, no new project can be sanctioned as per the rules.
Because sir, I think Honorable CM has answered my query, but I want to know actually from the Honorable Minister, these projects which mentioned here, which are in progress, which is the implementing agency that is implementing these projects as of now? You mentioned work awarded to RBS Kandeparkar from Ponda for 12 crores, Information Plaza at Pato Panjim, Tourism Jetty at Pato Panjim, work awarded to Venkatrao and Company, and multi-level car parking at Pato Panjim. Which is the agency that is doing this work?
तुका पळय दिल्ले आसा ते आमचे कोण कोण करता पळय ते टेंडर करून दिल्ले आसा.
म्हाका टेंडराची माहिती नाका. म्हाका जाय खंयची एजन्सी इम्प्लिमेंट करता तितलेच.
आपली टुरिझम डिपार्टमेंट करता.
Because reason why I asked this question is my last supplementary is that in the answer that is given, they're saying that there's one more SPV which is going to be formed by the tourism department under the Goa Tourism Development Corporation. As you are aware, Honorable Chief Minister is aware of this particular fact.
I'll clarify that. SPV म्हणजे we have appointed Goa Tourism Development Corporation as a special purpose vehicle to execute the projects given by the central government.
That's what I want
First 2 projects which were tendered just before the election, but nothing had started, have now taken off. The jetty worth about some 20+ crores. Now it has an expansion overall. It will be much more than that. The rest part will be the government of Goa. And multi-level parking, these are the 2 projects which are being
No, my question.
at this moment being handled by
No,
tourism
only my question is, why do you need a SPV when you have Goa State Infrastructure Development Corporation, which
There is
you can easily modify?
There is need of the central government. There is no separate SPV. They are termed as SPV.
Fine.
There is no another company. The Tourism Corporation itself is normed as SPV, and we have given them 15 crores day before yesterday to start their projects.
प्रश्नकाल सोंपलो.